Hello, welcome to the new week, a new trading week of December. What is today's date? December the 9th. This is First Lady Harmonic coming to you live. Well, I'm not real live, I'm just live in my room. But anyway, I put a post up saying that this is going to be my last week pretty much of trading. I'm going to focus on adding some nuggets to my website and preparing for the new year because the market will be slowing down significantly during the holidays. But just a quick trade here I'm looking at. I'm looking at gold. I want to take gold trade this week. It is a volatile pair, so you want to make sure that you're using the proper risk management. Currently, you can see that we are in a downtrend. Here's your major impulse move here. Although you have significant pullbacks, this still will be considered. This is the major structure level of the downtrend. This is our final low, and we see that we started making higher lows, but because we have not broken this area here, I'm just going to throw it out with a nice little box. Currently, we're still in a downtrend. So, from a harmonic perspective, what is it that I see? Let's say we can start from the highest of the impulse here and see where we are. We're at 786. It's come down, so could we pass and come up to a 127? We possibly could. What would happen, what would confirm this most likely would be a break of this previous high here. But what I'm currently looking at is probably a little bit more of a downtrend. We have a quarter point here. Looks like we're showing some type of resistance. But what I did see looks to be a bearish butterfly from X to A. Looking at 76, we've already reached a 272, but we still see strong bullish momentum here. If I do, of course, my second Fibonacci, ABA, we go 1618, which is pretty much right here. So what I'm looking for is for price to show some type of rejection in this area and then come down. And if it makes another higher low, most likely we're going to be going up to complete this bearish butterfly here. You see how B point has been broken. Usually that's what I look for. Once my B point is broken, some type of validity of this major pattern here. We very much could come up into this area here. We know it's the zone, so we sometimes have an offshoot of price, and gold is known to do that. You see these wicks. This wick here, let me just count it out. It's almost 100 pips. Actually, it looks like it's a 944 pips. 944 pips. Oh my God. And this is why I always stress in certain pairs that you want to use proper risk management because of the wicks. The wicks, gold will just take you out. And it does that because it's about to make a significant move, and you want to make sure that they clear the board. So you want to always use proper risk management. And so this pair here, maybe this this bearish butterfly, it may be invalid, or I can move up to the previous high and get a 618 here. And you see price can probably come up to the 1618. You know that it's not a garden because it has broken past the 786, so it can turn out to be a crab, come back down, and then go back up to complete. And so if this turns out to be a bearish crab, I will be definitely looking for this bearish butterfly to actually play out. And from here to here, we're looking at 76 to come up here. This would be our D point of this major bearish butterfly playing out. But I do foresee price coming back down a little bit here before probably making its way up to complete this bearish butterfly. So we'll see what it does. This is where you have to actually respond to price and not react to it. Harmonics is very it's an excellent strategy, but you don't want to get into the habit, which I've had to learn. I'm still learning myself of thinking that this is going to play out. This is a daily time frame, of course. So looking from last week it closed very bullish. So it appears to be still climbing a bit higher. We may get some rejection, we may not, but I'm just looking for. I'm thinking this is going to be a nice little butterfly here. Let's see what it does. Once it hits the 1618, it starts to show some rejection and come down. And I start going down to a lower time frame to see. We still are very bullish here, of course. And that's the 4 hour. And let's go through 1 hour. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, yes. So we created here, still nice bullish. So the sellers are trying to come into the market, but there's still some nice rejection. So I'm looking for this to probably keep going up, at least to see what happens once it hits the 1618 of our second Fibonacci number. And then we can start to make some decisions from that point on. So again, this is what I'm looking at for gold so far. It is Sunday. Again, remember the trend that you're in. You are currently in a downtrend, so major moves are going to happen. If the zone is not broken, you're going to be looking for a nice sell. You can go ahead and take a counter trend trade if you want to, but just be very careful and remember where you are. Okay, hope this helps. See you in the next video. Talk to you later.